What's up, guys? Robbie here. Looks like Bitcoin is in a slump right now and altcoins could be on the up and up. If that sounds interesting, please stay tuned to this video. So let's get right into it, guys. So Bitcoin recently has been a decline. It has gone from $69,000 to $57,000, which is a pretty significant amount, but not really for Bitcoin due to how volatile it is. And we could see that that's happened due to multiple rising wedge patterns. What is rising wedge? Well, our friends at Investopedia will show it right here. Basically, it's a rising resistance level with a rising support level that combine together to a tip with declining volume, which makes it go to the downside. Kind of looks like this, right? So we've seen that multiple times. This is the daily time frame on the Bitcoin chart. We can see that it happened here, here, and here, and this is all within about a year time. So this is pretty normal for Bitcoin to do something like this. And we see that recently Bitcoin has done it again. It went to about the $69,000 level, sorry, and it's gone all the way down to about the $53,000 level. Right now we're chilling at the $57,000 level. Nearest support is going to be the Fibonacci level right here at 45,000. Fibonacci is just a fancy word. Don't worry about it. Just know that $45,000 is support, which we've seen right here, and all around this area. You know, $45,000 is also like a really big psychological number. It's one of those big numbers like, oh, 45K. So it's going to hold some more value than normal. But if $45,000 is broken, as we see right here in particular, we will go down to the next Fibonacci level, which is this blue line, which we hit on the run up as well, which is at that $28,000 level. So guys, these are some two big numbers to really take out of this video, is $45,000 support and $28,000 support on the downfall of Bitcoin, you know, just in case, because you can never really predict what's going to happen. It's more of a toss-up and you want to just be educated, right? So we know that $45,000 and $28,000 on the downside are the targets. Upside here, Bitcoin has a little resistance at the $61,000 level and at the $71,000 level, which we have not hit $71,000 yet. So that means that we're going to need to get some significant volume to come in. Volume is just basically more buyers to come in to really see if we can break the $71,000 level. But every time that we break above the $62,000 level, we do see a little bit of weakness, which leads me into why I think that it is altcoin season now. So let's go over to altcoin season. Right now, one of the altcoins that I have been following extremely is BAT or Brave. This token right now is basically, right now I'm on the Brave browser, as you can see on my computer. Basically, you earn Brave tokens by using the system. It's going to be the new internet web browser. But looking at Brave, we can see that it did have a significant breakout from around the 70-cent mark over here. And it broke out from 70 cents. Now it's over $1.50, which is double your money in the course of, you know, a month or less. And that's amazing. And more and more cryptocurrencies are starting to do this now, more of the altcoins. Even some of the coins that are kind of controversial, right? Like, you believe everybody who's watching this video probably knows about Sheeb, Dogecoin, stuff like that. Even coins that don't have a real like merit, they don't have intrinsic value, like Brave, for example, which is a web browser. Even those coins are starting to pop now, so we can see that it is starting to slowly become altcoin season. And so you really need to be on the lookout for coins like this. Brave is a good coin right now. I believe it's kind of bull flagging pretty steeply, but it is bull flagging. We gotta see how this negative volume right here is really gonna play out, but right now we're right on support, about $1.45. So I would expect it to go up to about the $2.20 level. This is a trade that I'm currently in. The project's pretty good. If you're looking to the downside, though, you are looking to the downside of about $1 a coin, which is in our psychological level, like the Bitcoin level that we talked about previously here at the $45,000 level. So this, you know, watch that. Another coin that I am playing right now is Dash. See, Dash used to be one of the biggest coins back in the day. If you guys have been trading cryptocurrency for a while now, you'll know that in 2017, 2018, Dash was over $1,500 a coin. I believe it hit $1,700 a coin. It's a very expensive coin back in the day. Right now, it's in a slump. It's only $1.80. It's only $180 a coin. Okay, right now it's in a symmetrical triangle. If you could see it, you can see it. I know you guys can see it. It's right here. Symmetrical triangle is basically where the up and downs are kind of similar, and they make a triangle formation, which is what it's doing. A volume started right here and has been declining, so that is also a good sign. Right now we're battling some Fibonacci levels. The main one to watch out for is the $240 level. Right now we're at the $108 level, but price targets, let me draw a quick price target real fast, guys. Price targets will take this coin as far as 500 bucks a coin. So, 500 bucks a coin sounds really good. Dash has done way over that. Dash has done $1,000, $1,500 a coin. So keep that in mind. Another thing I wanted to post, guys, is I've been thinking about this for over a week now. I posted this on November 17th. I think that Bitcoin is going to be dropping here because it's going to be losing dominance in the market. This doesn't mean that all cryptocurrencies are going to drop, but I believe that the Bitcoin dominance is going to go down, altcoins are going to start to go up, and more of an even balance in the market. Ethereum is actually really strong right now with Bitcoin, so I believe Ethereum will drop as well due to Ethereum being about 20% of the total market cap. So just keep that in mind. Ethereum is playing like Bitcoin right now, and they're kind of tethered together. So playing coins like Ethereum, I wouldn't really play right now, just due to the fact that it's tethered to Bitcoin for the most part. But looking at this, we can see how this played out so far. I posted around the $59,000 level on November 17th. We can see that I was thinking that Bitcoin's going to go down. Bitcoin has been showing a long-term bearish divergence since it has been created. It's been showing a bearish divergence since 2013, which leads me to believe that Bitcoin is going to have a significant drop here in the future, guys. So we can see that what a bearish divergence is right here is the RSI level, relative strength index. Right here is the price of Bitcoin. So the price of Bitcoins went from $700, guys, all the way up to $60, $65, $69,000, which means that it's going up. But the RSI level here has been going down, which is the relative strength index. So the strength of the indice has been going down while the price is going up, which is usually not a good sign. You got to use more indicators than just that. But looking at the overall picture here, we can see that Bitcoin is most likely primed for another decline here. Decline is probably going to go down to the, let's see here, $16,000 level. That's just the nearest actual support. That would be supported above the previous rally. But I could see it going as low as the $25,000 area again. We need to get some type of confirmation here. But just look for that in the near term. I wouldn't really be playing Bitcoin. There's really nothing more to gain on the short term, but there is a lot to lose here, right? Because going from 57,000 down to 15,000 a coin, you're going to be losing a lot of your portfolio here. But if you buy at $57,000, to make the equivalent risk to reward ratio, it would need to go to $300,000 in the same amount of time. So right now, Bitcoin is not that safe of a play. Stick to the alts, Dash, BAT, etc. Another thing that could accelerate this, Dow Jones index. I posted this on November 9th. November 9th, Dow Jones trading at $36,000 level. Dow Jones has also been showing bearish divergences all over the place. The bearish divergence also tipped off the coronavirus drop. So when the coronavirus drop happened, right now this is the monthly time frame, so you won't be able to see it. But if we go into the daily time frame, which I'll do in a minute here, you can see that there was a bearish divergence on the Dow Jones right before the coronavirus drop. Right here, this is a bearish divergence on the monthly time frame. So what does that mean is that each one of these candlesticks here is a month, a whole month of price action, and basically a divergence on the bigger time frames mean that they're more significant. Okay, so that because it's more significant here, we have to really be careful, because we saw the coronavirus drop. That was 30%. It was a 30% drop based off of a smaller bearish divergence, which I'll show you guys in a minute. But right here, we're seeing a monthly bearish divergence, which is terrible. It's not good, but obviously this could reverse. We need to really have the time to play out. But I posted this when Dow Jones is at 36,219 points. We click the play button. It's now at 34,000, and it will probably continue to drop. Price targets for this can get very, very low. So just be careful, guys. The stock market right now, because Bitcoin is getting institutionalized, a lot of big players in the stock market are actually buying Bitcoin. So if their stock portfolios are dumping, they're going to start selling their riskier assets. Bitcoin is in their risk part of their portfolio, which is only making up a small percentage of it, but they're going to sell their Bitcoin part of their portfolio to buy more indices, like for example, I don't know, but oil or something, you know what I'm saying? Oil, gold, stuff that's more safe. I don't even know if oil is safe right now, But you guys get the drift. They're going to be buying more companies that are stable, stuff that's not Bitcoin. They're going to be deleting Bitcoin from their portfolios right now. That's something to watch out for. If the stock market continues to drop, we're going to see Bitcoin dropping in tandem, which is why I posted the Bitcoin dropping graph here, because Dow Jones is dropping. I posted this on November 9th. And November 17th, about a week and a half later, I made the decision that there is going to be a correlation between Bitcoin and the stock market, which there should be. But oh yeah, I promise you guys, I'll show you the Dow Jones. Let's see here, Dow Jones right here. Here we go. So let's zoom in on this. This is the daily time frame. This is zoomed in from the chart that I was showing you guys. So here's going to be the bearish divergence that took place right before the coronavirus drop. So here's the line up, which is the price action up. This is about a month of time here. Each one of these candles equals 1 day. We can see that the RSI went down here. So this is RSI bearish divergence on a very minor level. This is the daily chart. We can see how much of damage that it did to the indice, right? So going to the monthly, we can really see that the damage that could happen here. And you know, these divergences do play out because I have it marked down here. There was a bullish divergence, which is the opposite, which created the indice to go back up, which was right over here. Whoop. This is some live technical analysis for you guys. Whoop. Boom. So you see this line going up right here. The RSI was going up, but if we look, the price was going down right here. So this indicated that there was going to be a reversal and the world wasn't going to end, basically. But yeah, guys, just keep the stuff that I said in mind. We really don't know what's going to happen, but it's always good to be educated. Market could go up or down, so just really keep an eye on it. You know, right now is really volatile. Anything could happen right now. You know, there's all types of random news coming out. Trust whatever news source that you believe that you should trust. I'm not going to tell you which ones to look out for, but yeah, just really do your research, guys. Really pay attention, and yeah, hope you guys do really good on your trades. My name is Robbie, Robbie123. So yeah, thank you guys, and trade well. Bye.